About a month ago, I was trying to configure Rust Analyzer in the Z code editor. And I got frustrated because the Rust Analyzer config is nested into the Z config, and it's JSON inside JSON, and there is zero autocomplete. You're completely on your own. There's nothing that helps you discover configuration options. You have to open the Rust Analyzer configuration, and because it's nested, you never know if you're at the right level of nesting. It is really annoying. And it wasn't the first time that I got really annoyed at it, and I decided to do the only reasonable thing in that scenario, which is to post about it on Blue Sky and Mastodon. And I said, I am dead serious. I will send cookies to anyone who closes that issue. And I linked the issue, the pre-existing issue, with a lot of thumbs up about like, oh, we should use the JSON schema for the various language server protocol to, provide autocomplete and validation in the editor. Something a code editor is pretty good at. It's pretty supposed to do that, And word got around. I even extended the offer to the Z team itself. I was like, I don't care, even if you're an employee of Z, it's fine. I'll send cookies to you. As long as it gets done, I do not care who does it. And I got very intense about it for maybe a day, and I forgot about it. And then someone picked it up and started working on it, started getting the PR in shape and everything. I was so excited. I was cheering for them. I was like, please let it be that you finish the PR and you get it accepted, you get it merged. It's gonna be such a nice story. And I have great fucking news, everyone. It happened. It's finished. Benedikt finished the PR, and I sent him the cookies, and he received them, and he sent me a picture that his wife took of him holding up the cookies, and the whole thing has been completed, and I get to see me and Benedikt talk about it on camera to kind of recap how it went from both our perspectives, and also what's up for the future. Well, thanks for agreeing to speak with me today. I'm very excited that you got the cookies. You said your wife encouraged you to tackle that issue because you showed her the Blue Sky post and she was like, oh yeah, do it.
It's pretty funny, and she was like, yeah, you always wanted to contribute anyway, so just do it.
I did notice that it took a while to get the pull request accepted. Was there any regret? It was like, this is taking too long. This isn't worth cookies.
From my side, no. I wanted to contribute to Z for a while anyway, because I always sent myself a signal note to self like, hey, you should do this, and then I don't do it. And yeah, this was the perfect opportunity and a little reward. And yeah.
The Z code base is famously huge. And I've had discussions before with members of the Z team about build times, about CI times, about I don't know how they do it if they just have huge laptops for everyone, but I was curious what Benedikt's experience was contributing first time to the Z code base. I know that they've been fighting with CI times and everything. How was just opening the Z project in Z? Did blow up your computer? The Rust Analyzer just had a stroke?
It was fine for the most part. One time my computer crashed because it was out of memory, and I guess the Linux out of memory daemon didn't catch it. Yeah, but
I mean, if it caught it, it would have killed it anyway. So
yeah, that was really annoying.
I really wonder. I have to interview them next because I really wonder how they do it. They just have everyone have 64 gigs of RAM in their laptop or something. I don't know.
You are a compile-time virtual, so maybe so.
Yeah, but I don't think they're gonna rewrite their entire code editor, to have a microservice architecture based on shared memory plugins. I don't see it. One thing I wanted to broach a night call with Benedikt was when you start paying someone to do something that they used to do for free, it changes the nature of the relationship. It becomes transactional. Suddenly there's different expectations because it's not the same thing for me if I'm like writing code for a friend just like to get them out of a pickle, or if I'm writing it for a customer, a client, then I'm billing them and I'm like, I'm approaching the entire thing very differently. So the question is like, would cookies qualify as money? Would it change the nature of the relationship?
I think it was more like a nice reward, a nice thank you for the contribution. I think the offer was trustworthy.
Well, was it?
Yeah.
Did you ever get the cookies?
Yes.
Can you show them?
So here they are. And we've already eaten a bunch of them, and yeah, they are very good. Yeah, now there are not so many anymore.
Are there any issues that you would send someone cookies for?
Yes, the Z DDoS thing, it's really annoying at work because for some symbols, we have like many symbols which are similar, and then you just don't get the exact match, but other matches which are like similar enough. I don't understand the algorithm enough, but I would send cookies for that.
It doesn't take much to push someone and like get them to start doing something that they've been putting off forever. In this case, it was cookies, but it can be anything. For me, picking up Rust was someone else nudging me to just like, hey, take a look at this new language. And then me struggling with it for months, being like, this is bullshit, I don't understand any of it. And then it clicking, and then me making a career out of teaching it to other people. Yeah, it doesn't take much. And I think that's beautiful. Benedikt mentioned that he had been watching my channel, and I was curious like which video was his favorite.
Yeah, you're gonna laugh, but the funniest part is the one where in the game hacking series, you remember that? Where you explained the detour crate.
All the comments on this video are like, we don't know what the fuck you're saying. Please use words.
But I think that actually explained it really well because it was so simplified with regards to what is happening.
That's what I was hoping for. I guess everyone who understood the video just never left a comment, just left. Thank you so much for tackling this. Like even like cookies or no cookies. I'm very thankful. I haven't really tried it yet. I don't know. Is it in a stable Z version yet? Do you know?
I don't think it is because it got merged shortly before Christmas, and I don't think a Z release.
Isn't it amazing that we're doing this whole call and I haven't even tried your thing? Then maybe it doesn't work.
That would be pretty horrible, but yeah, it only works for Rust Analyzer and Rough for now, which is
I see.
bit unfortunate.
Well, I just tried in Z preview and it's not in yet. So if you could please send me the whatever cookies are left, that would be nice. Since clearly the feature didn't get in. I'm gonna be laughing myself all the way to the grave that this worked. I'm so happy that I was just able to like business expense a bunch of cookies to someone just to get this fixed. It's gonna be so nice when it actually lands in a stable build. It's gonna be so nice to use. Every time I'm gonna configure Rust Analyzer now, I'm gonna be like, yes, that's the stuff. Cookies. I don't think it's a trick I can use for everything, but maybe you can. Maybe try other pastries or other projects. I don't know. It's just funny that it worked. I honestly did it half for the story, and now I get to share the story with you. You're freaking welcome. Bye.